what up, man? You already know what time it is, man. It's your boy DJ Rob. Blaze DJs in the building. Yo, what up, YouTube? You already know what time it is, man. It's your boy DJ Rob. We got Rhino Skin over here, the Rap TV. You heard? Make sure you share this video. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notifications so you can be notified anytime we make some new content. You heard? Look, we jump straight into it. In case y'all notice, I'm stuck in the storm right now, so I decided to come over here and, spread some light on this YSL situation, man. It's a lot of YouTubers that's covering this story, so I'm just doing my due diligence, and I'm gonna talk, that talk on what I feel is going on with this whole YSL situation. Alright, boom, let's knuckle down. Straight up, we already know what it is, man. I'm tired of hearing all you YouTubers talking about police work this and police work that. You doing the work to the police. Hey, yo, man, blow the grip straight up. Everybody got a motherfucking opinion. It's just like a-holes. Everybody got one. You know what I'm saying? If you got a platform, utilize it. It is what it is, man. Ain't nobody snitching. Ain't nobody telling on nobody. Oh, let me rewind. Except Gunna and them niggas. Them niggas telling, man. You know what I'm saying? They telling. And everybody that's still jacking Gunna after this and all the YSL members and all that, I think the only one that ain't really tell is Duke. I think Duke is the only one that ain't really tell. So let me tell y'all why I say this. Alright, boom. Let's go to Gunna. He should be a backup singer for Beyonce. The way he was singing in court on that Yes Ma'am. He need to make a record called Yes Ma'am. You know what I'm saying? That judge asked him everything that can incriminate Thug, possibly in the book. And y'all keep talking about Gunna didn't snitch. Alright, so if a judge asks you, do you have any special information on the YSL gang personally? And you say yes, ma'am. That's not snitching. You got pulled over in the car with Young Thug. It's just you and Young Thug. You tell the judge, well, it wasn't mine. I ain't even gotta keep going into that because y'all seen the video. The bottom line is this. Let me tell y'all how they snitching. Okay, so they not actually making a statement against Young Thug at the moment. But here's where the snitch comes in. If they are called to the stand, right? Legally called to the stand, which this was in their plea deal. If you don't know what an Alfred plea, like I said in one of my other videos, go do your research on what an Alfred plea is. Basically, an Alfred plea is holding your innocence, bro. That's all it's doing. You're saying, I ain't do it. That nigga might have did it, but I ain't do it. That's what it's saying, bro. So if any one of them is called to the stand, which is it's in their plea deals, that's why they getting sweet deals. If they get called to the stand, right, and the judge asks them any incriminating questions that applies to themselves, they could plead the fifth. They could plead the fifth on that. But if the judge just so happens to ask them anything else that got anything to do with this RICO case in YSL, and it don't have to do nothing with them, and it's asking about Young Thug and what's going on criminally, they have to answer that. There's no pleading the fifth. They can't plead the fifth on that, and this is written in a plea deal. So y'all can miss me with all that. They not snitching. They standing tall. Man, listen, the only ones that stood tall in their situation was GS9 and them, Bobby Shmurda and Roddy Rebel and them boys. They took they lick like men. You know what I'm saying? We already seen what Bobby did. He took extra time so his mans could get to the crib and all that. In this YSL case, that's just not the case. That's just not what's happening. What's happening in this YSL case is, yo, they looking out for themselves. It ain't no more gang. I'm going home to my family. If they offering me a plea, I'm up out of here. Thug, you gonna have to fight it on your own and all that. I'm going home. That's exactly what's going on. Now, I don't even know the young man's name and all that. I don't even care, because that's not the point of the video. But it was a video surfaced up on Instagram and all the social media platforms of one of the YSL members on the phone, and shorty knew what she was doing, because she knew that phone call was being recorded. She already knew what time it was. Shorty was basically telling the YSL member, look, you know, you got a kid, you need to come home to your family. She tried to cover it up in the phone call, but we all heard it. She tried to cover it up a little bit, talking about, you know, she just tried to sweep it under the rug. She basically told dude, look, you need to come home to your family. You got a son. Okay. Hey, look, man, I understand where she's coming from as the baby moms. Yeah, he got a son and all that. But what I don't, well, let me rewind again. Now, they trying to pin a murder on dude. You know what I'm saying? They trying to say he bodied something. Now, you know, we don't know if he really caught that body. Me, in my opinion, I don't think he caught nobody, because killer is not written on him. It's not written on his persona. It's not really, he not really giving me killer vibes. You know what I'm saying? He giving me, you know, follower vibes. Let me be down with what's popping at the moment vibes. That's what he's giving me. But you know, he's been taken into custody on this RICO situation, and his baby mom was basically telling him he need to cooperate with the laws so he could get home to his family. Y'all jump down in the comment section and let me know, is he wrong for doing that? Now, he is an active member in YSL. He has, you know what I'm saying, partook in activities and all that. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna put that body on that man, because you know, we don't know if he caught that body. I don't think he caught that body for real. I think they just using that as leverage to make him crack like the rest of them. You know what I'm saying? My favorite saying, they folding up like origami and all that. You feel me? Because they really telling on Thug. Yo, Thug, man, listen. I hate to say it, but it's looking real bad for Thug. And okay, boom. Let me tell you why. Y'all call it a win for Thug, and I'm about when the judge threw out, you know what I'm saying, the evidence that, well, basically the judge said they can't use Thug's cell phone that was obtained during the quote-unquote illegal, you know what I'm saying, entrance into Thug's home, which his lawyer got a strong case on that, you know what I'm saying, but the judge he's really not budging. He really ain't trying to hear what Thug lawyer is trying to say, you know what I'm saying, but, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna tell you why they threw out the cell phone. Simple as this. Everybody that's a part of YSL is taking plea deals, bro. They getting sweet deals out the situation. They took the cell phone out because everybody that took a plea deal, that's the cell phone. Duh. It's part of their plea deal that if they call to the stand, they have to testify against Young Thug. Not on his behalf. Is in they plea deals that they gotta testify against the YSL situation and any illegal activity that took place along the time periods that they being charged for. So, like I said, them boys is singing like Beyonce. They really singing, bro. They telling, they snitching, whatever you want to call it. You feed them cheese and all that, because they mouses, they rats and all that. I'm telling you, bro. Now, I don't really condone, you know what I'm saying, everything that happened with Thug. We already know what happened with the nut situation. We already know what they did. I'm not finna go into all that. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go do your research. Go do your research. It is what it is. Because if any one of y'all niggas come up on my shit, talking about I'm doing police work, I'ma send you the Addy, you know what I'm saying, and we can knuckle up. You feel me? Whatever. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, let's knuckle down. These niggas is telling, bro. And I kind of feel sorry for Thug, even though I don't really rock with a lot of his decision making and all that, but I really feel sorry for Thug for this simple reason, is because all of them YSL niggas wouldn't have been who they are if it wasn't for Thug, period. Point blank. Gunna. Now, Gunna, out of all of them, is the one that did the most dirt. And I'm going to tell you why. Because Thug made Gunna, bro. Thug made him. I don't care what nobody say. If it wasn't for Thug, it wouldn't be no pushing P, which has turned into pushing plea and all that. I'm gonna tell. Yep. That's his new name. You can't even put Gunna in your name no more. I'm gonna tell. Gunna Teller. You know what I'm saying? You a new Ninja Turtle. Gunna Teller, nigga. Straight up. Here. Cause you gonna tell. For real. Straight up. He did Young Thug the worst out of all of them, man. Because he was the second in line as far as this whole RICO case, and that's why they jammed up Gunna, because they knew once the pressure was built up on him that he was gonna tell. They knew he was gonna bend. They knew he was gonna set it off, and everybody was gonna follow suit. It was a strategic move from the laws. They knew Gunna was gonna crack, and let me tell you why they knew he was gonna crack. Because before Gunna was famous and all that, y'all love to sweep shit under the rug. Y'all forgot that Gunna had told on another situation. Gunna already had the snitch label on him. He already told them niggas prior to this. So what you think he was gonna do in this? And there's a lot of people, well, what you expect him to do? He just gonna sit it. Man, listen, bro. You already knew what you was getting yourself into. Now he already made a song. You know what I'm saying? Yo, we get jammed up in the law. We ain't talking to your honor. Man, shut up, man. Shut up, bro. Whatever. Look what happened. You got jammed up. The pressure was building up. You know what I'm saying? And they started talking them football numbers to you because they knew you was definitely a general, a lieutenant in the movement, and you took a plea. Period, point blank. You snitched on that man. And when they call you to the stand, because every one of you that took a plea deal, y'all gonna have to sit on that stand, and they're gonna ask you questions about what happened in that YSL situation. Now, you could plead the fifth on anything that's gonna incriminate you. You could plead the fifth on anything that, you know what I'm saying, is gonna incriminate you as a person. But everything else that took place and the evidence that they have in that case, you have to answer. You have to answer. And if you don't answer, you're gonna be held in contempt, and you're gonna take your ass right back to jail, and then they're gonna hammer you. So all you niggas that took plea deals, y'all did wrong, y'all did bad, y'all did that man real bad, because he made y'all, and it's really not stand up. Now, I'm gonna play devil's advocate, because on the flip side of this, I don't really care about none of that shit y'all talking about snitch this and snitch that, because it's an unwritten code. There ain't no loyalty. There's no loyalty in the streets, as we can see. There's only two routes you could take when you getting involved in this street stuff. Either you going to jail like this, or you're gonna die. That's it. There's nothing positive about nothing that goes on in the gang, the slat, the slime. Y'all like smelling fingers and all that. You know what I'm saying? Calling yourself Young Slime. Y'all love doing drills and making videos about it, telling on yourself. And then you want to get mad when you get jammed up and the DA is using the lyrics from your songs that you talking about specific situations and times, and y'all saying names, y'all saying locations, basically telling the niggas what kind of weapon was used and all that, who got hit and all that. Y'all niggas is stupid. Y'all bozos, bro. Y'all niggas is bozos. Straight up from Erupt TV, I'm telling y'all, and I be in Atlanta, and I be around these niggas, and I don't care. You know what I'm saying? I don't care. Nobody's gonna say nothing to me. I be in all the parties with these little rap niggas, and when I be around them, I be like, yo, you the big homie? You the leader? Now get the man, stop playing with me, man. And I can say what I can say because it is what it is. You can Google me, you know what I'm saying? I bust my gun. Yep, I bust my gun. Google me, you know what I'm saying? So I feel at liberty to talk about this because you niggas ain't built for tough, bro. Y'all niggas crack. Y'all niggas crack like weak welding, bro. For real, man. But I ain't gonna take up too much of your time, and I just feel sorry for Thug because they singing on him, they telling on that man, and everybody that took a plea deal, they're gonna have to take the stand, and they're gonna have to talk about what happened in that case, bro. Hey, yo, it's looking real crazy for Thugger, bro. You know what I'm saying? And everybody keep talking about Thug ain't saying nothing. Nigga, he can't say nothing. He can't talk right now. His lawyers gotta talk for him and all that. His facial expressions in the courtroom is letting y'all know what's going on. He didn't know they was gonna take all these plea deals and all that. That nigga didn't know that, man. It's crazy. But anyway, I made about 15 minutes and all that, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna get up off here, ain't gonna take up too much of your time. But yo, look, man. Listen, man. Talk to me nice or don't talk to me at all, man. And I'm out of here. What's poppin'? It's your boy DJ Rep. Talk to me nice or don't talk to me at all. You already know we got Rhino Skin over here at Rep TV, you heard? If you like the content, go ahead and smash that like button. Bang that notification bell, and do me a favor. Turn on your post notifications so you can be notified anytime we make some new content.